Today we talk about how can you create a reminder on your School Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your School Planner app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above the sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just or just click in this sign here. You just click in this sign, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on reminder here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Here you add a teacher and date, then reminder time, and here pick a color, then add attachments here. Here if you want to add a notch and subtask here if you want to add subtask, then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.